These batteries are based on EV-grade lithium iron phosphate cells that will provide 4,000 cycles at 100% depth of discharge. That means if you fully charge and discharge these batteries once a day, they'll last over 10 years. LiTime has developed their own custom BMS for these batteries, and that battery management system provides more than 20 safety protocols. Then you can turn off the whole system with just one button. Status for the system as a whole, and if we flip to the last page, then you can see information for each of the two batteries.